Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Wednesday. As you can see, the open air market is on here down on the Rincon. It's very busy as always. Busy bars as well. Really busy bars. I would film around the market, but they tend to be a bit funny. And as it looks like some are clearing up already. One thing that does make me laugh is people come to the market on a mobility scooter and they park it up and walk around the market. Surely guys, if you can walk around the whole market, then really do you need a mobility scooter? And socks there, bikinis, starting to pack up now. So we're gonna have a ride round the corner today. Go and have a look round by Penny Farthing. Benidorm Palace guy there just gone past. So it sounds quite loud round here. It's probably... oh.
Thank you.
We have the Penny Farthing, looking very busy today. It is market day and they're normally busier on market day.
Hola.
And then we've got the Duke of Wellington, looking busy as well.
All right.
And of course, very popular Dutch bar that on market day is always busy. We have a singer, we have dancing, we have beautiful poinsettias, beautiful Christmas trees, very popular bar, Roji. Unfortunately, I've heard that it is up for sale, which is very sad, because I think they have an absolutely amazing business going there. It's always busy on market days and it always has a fantastic atmosphere. So there are these like little plastic barrier things going up around Benidorm. I believe it's for the marathon that's coming up. I'm not sure what day it is. It'll be some day over the weekend, I would imagine. There's a 21k, I believe, and a 10k. Rather them than me. We have the fabulous Black Pearl over there, and I still haven't been in there for a meal yet. I'm gonna have to go and try. Country Ribs not open yet, open later. And of course, the fabulous Uncle Ped's.
And you can look what I do.
Looking busy. Patty Bros, take and go. Believe they do quite a nice breakfast in there as well. Of course, we have the fabulous Riviera, very busy. Just going to fly past because they have got rather loud music on and I don't want to get copyrighted. Of course, home of the beautiful Ruby Rocks, aka Mark Ellis. If you get a chance to see any of his shows, they are absolutely fabulous, guys. And then of course we got the Explorers Bar there, back of the Ambassador Hotel, and finally the Rosamar Hotel, great for families and kids. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.